Hey guys, seriously, what does this button do? I mean, I kind of want to hit the button. Hey, wait, what does that button actually do? Red alert, our offer has changed. Free shipping and 15% off most Detail King products through Monday night. Use code FREE15 on orders $125 and up, and you'll get free shipping and 15% off our soaps, cleaners, dressings, degreasers, paint correction products, and so much more. Head on over to DetailKing.com right now and save 15% and get free shipping on orders $125 and up when you use code FREE15 at checkout.